Alright, so welcome to AI Leela, and the website is mainly built to showcase the Leela of AI. And for like Leela, the word Leela it's basically a Sanskrit word which refers that the whole cosmos, the Brahmand, is a divine play of Lord. Typically, we associate Leela with Lord Krishna, who played an instrumental part in Mahabharata many thousand years ago. But anyway, so Leela is like okay, so it's a divine play, and the era that in which we live currently is we are witnessing the Leela of AI as it unfolds. So right now, AI is like 1 day or 2 day old, and then as it grows further in age, it will show more colors, and those colors could be like positive, negative. That's up to us basically to decide. But nonetheless, the capability of AI, the things that it can do, will be nothing short of Leela. Uh, well, so again, welcome, and then it has two main sections. One is like a learning hub uh, that caters to mostly learning related part, and then it also has a social feature, private social, where users can upload their AI generated works, be it images, prompts, or audio or video, and then that showcase they can show to the future employers or just friends and family, and then holistically at one place you can show the things that you have done on AI. And so that's learning part. So in the learning part you get social and you get learning modules. So learning modules is like about 25 to 30 different tools with a good depth, with many prompt examples and also explanation of how it works. um, it also covers other important things like important concepts or important companies which are ruling the world of AI. So that's one part, which is AI hub, and the other section is AI toolbox. So it's a collection of right now 10, but eventually it will be 40 50 tools inbuilt, which are ready to use. Behind the scenes it uses GPT-4 or DALI APIs, so it uses the existing APIs itself. However, the prompts written behind them or the way they are designed is so that you don't have to prompt as well. This is mostly useful for professionals, working professionals or freelancers who just want to get a lot of things in one place. Uh, so we'll be building many more tools. So right now you can generate LinkedIn post or Twitter thread, or you can generate image from one single box, and eventually we'll be able to kind of analyze your rental agreement, for example, or you can generate a summary of a YouTube video just by giving a link of it, things like that. So that is the other section, and then we also have communities on WhatsApp and Telegram where we post regular content with images and other AI generated works, and we also have a newsletter, daily newsletter that we post on these communities daily, like a 10-minute read newspaper, which is like fun plus educational. So overall, three major things: AI Hub, which caters to learning and showcasing of your work. Second is AI Toolbox, which is like one-stop place for all important day-to-day digital tasks. And the third one is community, where we share a lot of content, and also daily newspaper is posted on those communities. So that's it for AI Lila right now, and we also conduct 5 day workshop. So anyone who purchases the first plan, which is like the 5 day AI mastery plan, then you get to join 5 day live sessions and then curated kind of learning for 5 days, and then you can join any other batch as well. Batch happens every week, um, and the advanced plans are for the advanced users. But right now, for almost everyone, 5 day course, 5 day workshop is something that I would highly recommend. It is placed at 999 rupees, but introductory we are giving for it for 50% discount at 499. It runs in Marathi, Hindi, English, all three languages, different batches. So yes, do check out the site, and if you have any feedback or any suggestions, do share us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. Um, all right. Thank you.